How to replace a printhead in HP DesignJet SmartTank T800 and T900 printer series. This video demonstrates how to replace and insert a new printhead into a printer. The entire procedure should take about 15 minutes. Before you begin, ensure that the printer wheels are locked by pressing the brake levers down to prevent the printer from moving. How to remove the printhead. Tap the supplies icon in the control panel, then select printhead installation and then replace printhead. Open the printhead door on the right-hand side of the printer. Important: do not open any covers during this process. Pull up the printer cover. Once the printer cover is up, open the right cover. Remove the blue handle, pull up the lever to unlatch the ink tubes, then hang them on the printer door. Locate the white handle. Raise the lever to release the tube connector and store the tube's connector on the tube connector holder in the printer door. Remove the printhead with caution to avoid getting ink on the connections. How to install a printhead. Install the new printhead in the printer. Important: if the printhead is new, the ink tanks must be filled to about 15% capacity for the startup to function properly. Pull down the white lever. Connect the ink tubes to the printhead. Push them until the window turns green and there is no longer a lock visible. Close the printhead door. Close the printer front door. Close the main door and follow the instructions on the control panel. The control panel now recommends printhead alignment. The printer prepares the printhead for use. Important: do not open any covers during this process. Tap the supplies option. Tap printheads and check the menu to ensure that these are under warranty and installed. The message "Automatic Printhead Alignment Successfully Completed" appears after alignment. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.